Hey friends, it's me Humaira Salim Sheikh and you are seeing my channel It's a World of Creativity। तो आज की वीडियो में ऐसा कुछ बनाने वाली हूँ मैं जो अपने लव वन स्पेशल पर्सन को दे सकते हो, और इसका प्रोसेस भी सुपर इजी है जो ऑलमोस्ट 10 के अबाउ या फिर 10 से कम वाले एज वाले बच्चे भी बना सकते हैं। तो मैं ये पहले डालने वाली थी पर मेरा फ़ोन का स्टोरेज ख़त्म हो गया था, उसमें स्पेस नहीं थी, इसलिए मैं ये अभी डाल रही हूँ। सो इतने गैप के बाद में डालने के बाद में आप प्लीज़ वो गैप को फिल कर दो। मतलब आप ये वीडियोस पे बहुत सपोर्ट करो मुझे, और हाँ, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना इस वीडियो को। तो देखो प्रोसेस एकदम ध्यान से, बहुत इजी है ये। The process is super quick and super easy. So y'all can see the process. It is super easy. So guys, as I told you all, the process is super easy. Yeah, you all can see it is very easy. So now, are you all excited to see the final result? So let me know. It is going to be very easy. All process is very easy, and you can give this to your parents and whoever you want to give. So it is going to be very quick and easy. It will not even take 10 minutes to make this. It is super quick. Like everyone can make this. And the drawing in this, a 7-year kid can also make the drawing. It is super quick. So yeah, support me in this video and like, share, subscribe to my channel and help me to reach 100 and more than 100 subscribers. Support me please. And yeah, you all can see the drawing as I told you all. It is super easy. एक फटाफट से हो जाएगा सब. So now let's see the final result. Look, it is so cute. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you in next video. Stay tuned and support me.